KZA.
Jadini Production.
Heavenly Father, forgive niggas. Busy behaving, I'm making figures. Looking so fine, shaking the masses, I loving the party. Niggas so fine, I feel like I'm blessed, heaven beside me. Look, niggas be calling me Zeus, I feel like to kill you, I come in a juice. No more bits I choose, you come with the crew, can you choose? Get in the barrel, speaking in tongues, still be killing it. A game full of shit, they call me a nanny, cause now I be changing it. Niggas who coming for chores and they end in the coffin, we're valid corner. Niggas be killing the comment, the paper be calling, I'm leaving the comment. Enough with this language, cause niggas be what? Changing to mother tongue. Shankona my niggas are quiet, I'm putting the space on my niggas are spelling now.
By my roots kule ke ngiyabadisa amabeleka ngiyabatshela amabefake ngi old school ngikhonza ukubhekla gqema ngamaphathi mangwayizela ayisuke mayisuke mawumshana never delela umuntu omdala kuzuzukhala kumina abantwana abancane bafinyila basula ngempama ngimdala le game and nge-underground boy we speed tight nama-underdog thole debisile kuvele andebovu uma ubheka ngapha kuvele itrank eskoshi kanti uma ufuna ukususa wasinginodlama ungibuza kwi-ex yama ngakutshela umakhosi and uma uzobhekla nami kwazi lyrical ngithathi wena wazuza nkosi extortion siphezulu hleza khipha ngathi wenza i-abortion thathwa loleke mongathi dliswa ila fortune tuzela bifo kanti uphethe team exposure caution be aware ungadlali ngomlilo udlalele fele kule ndawo eyiflame kude wait a minute ufuna ukumesa nathi game on mawuzazi ukuthi ucapable usiphezo Mr. Chosen kule game sebangena sabaqina sibabangela ithabuli bathi sikhokhulu on fire flexing inga bazamile ukungibhekisela phansi njengeredo kamagriza bengithena down in case you're wondering I just step on it begging a pants I'm on top of my game.
Yeah, Donkey Chosen. We out.